Hello everyone, this is Mira from TAICO. Today I'm gonna show you unboxing video of TAICO's hybrid 12 kW inverter, which is independently developed and manufactured by our TAICO selves. Now let's open this box and see what's inside. Inside the box contains a network cable, user manual, PV input terminals, and the screws for mounting. 3 CTs connect to the main supply, and 1 data logo for data collector. Now let's hand the inverter on this shelf. On the side of inverter, we can see the specifications: 12 kW 3-phase hybrid inverter, IP65 waterproof rating, and supports 48-volt battery connection. This is the smart touchscreen display of inverter, which shows the inverter's data. On the side of inverter has switch, PV switch. This is MPPT port, battery positive port, negative port, COM port for communication, and the generator port, load port, on-grid port. Here is USB port for data collector, earth wire port. Now I'd like to introduce key advantages of this 12 kW 3-phase hybrid inverter. First of all, it supports both 3-phase AC 400 volts and single-phase 230 volts. It adapting to various usage scenarios. Second, its peak power reaches twice the rated power. Third, it supports maximum up to 9 units in parallel. Fourth, it works directly with standard low-voltage DC 48-volt batteries. Fifth, when compared with multiple batteries, it can expand capacities from 50 kWh to 100 kWh, small-scale commercial and industrial energy storage systems. This solution is more cost-effective than high-voltage battery systems.